Assalamu alaikum. It's the in Cambridge school system. I'm Yashfa, in charge of class PG. How are you students? I hope all of you will be tip top. Now students, we are going to start our study. It's our English book of class PG. Now we start the page number 10. Today we will learn the first of this page, here to here. This one letter is F, its capital form F and its small form F. F for fish, F for fish, F for fan, F for fan, F for flower, F for flower, F for fruit, F for fruit. Let's we do practice how to write F. Join the dots. F. Today we have learned letter F and you learn it and also do practice to write it. Allah Hafiz.